What happens to your body when you eat 2 eggs every day? Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode, the impact of eggs in your health. Eggs are a staple in many diets, but have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat 2 eggs every day? Let's crack open the fact and find out. Number 1. Cholesterol. First, let's talk about cholesterol. Eggs are relatively high in cholesterol, with large egg containing about 186 milligrams. But there is the thing. Dietary cholesterol has a limited impact on blood cholesterol level for most people. Number 2. Protein power. Eggs are an excellent source of protein with about 6 grams per large egg. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle, organs, and tissue in your body. Eating 2 eggs a day can help you your daily protein. Number 3. Vitamin and mineral boost. Eggs are also good source of various vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, vitamin B12 and iron. The nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining healthy bone, nerve function, and red blood cell production. Number 4. Eye health. The antioxidant lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs can help protect your eye from damage and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. And number 5. Brain function. Choline in egg is converted into acetylcholine in the brain, which is a neurotransmitter that supports memory, attention, and cognitive function. Number 6. Weight management. Eggs are relatively low in calories and high protein, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. The protein in eggs can help you feel fuller for long, reducing the likelihood of overeating. In conclusion, eating 2 eggs every day can have a significant impact on your health, from supporting protein needs to boosting eye and brain function. Just remember to choose eggs from hens raised on a pasture and consume them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more informative videos. Bye.